TV for kids.
Hey, 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 come join the crew. We are learning what animals eat and do, from trunks that swing and tails that wag. Let's meet up, friends, and pack your bag.
Hello, hello.
I'm Ducky the Duck, waddling around with lots of luck.
Quack, quack, quack is what I say.
Come and splash with me today. Quack like Ducky,
Quack, quack.
I waddle slowly side to side with tiny webbed feet full of pride. Flip, flop, flip by the lake so blue, having fun the whole day through.
Waddle like Ducky.
I love to swim and splash around, making ripples with funny sounds. Paddle, paddle with my feet, cool fresh water feels so sweet.
Splash, splash.
My feathers keep me warm and dry,
Even when the rain falls from the sky.
water slides right off my back.
That's a ducky little knack.
Shake your feathers!
Baby ducklings follow me.
1, 2, 3, as cute as can be.
In a line they waddle too.
Learning all the things ducks do.
Quack, quack, little ducklings.
At sunset when the sky turns red, I tuck my wings and go to bed. Near the pond so calm and deep, Ducky softly falls asleep.
Quack, 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 come sing with me. The happiest duck you'll ever see.
Splash and paddle all day through.
Ducky the Duck says quack to you.
Whenever you see me near the pond,
Wave at Ducky as we bond.
I'll flap my wings and quack with glee.
Happy little friends we'll be.
We met a friend,
And learned a lot.
like what they eat.
And what they've got.
We heard their sounds,
And saw their walk.
some love to jump.
And some just squawk.
We clapped, we danced, we moved around, and learned new things with every sound.
The fun's not over, come and say.
We'll meet more friends another day.
So don't forget, come back and see.
More happy fun on Happy TV.
Da 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 da.
For more fun and playful rhymes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.